So, hello students. Let's do another. So, my favorite CPM common potential method I'm going to apply in this and find the equivalent resistance between A and B. This is point A, this is point B, and this same question we are going to do by symmetry, and this is DST, delta star transformation. So let's do. Now in our previous video we have talked so much about CPM, delta star and the symmetry. So today I will apply and you people will see. So for CPM, as you know, A and B, we will connect A with positive terminal and B with negative terminal of cell or battery, or we can send from B to A current, then it would be positive, it would be negative. Okay, so now for CPM other than A and B, C, O and D are 3 points there. So we will check these are how many of them are at same potential or not, COD. So what we do, we will go from C point to resistor A sorry, C point to A in terms of resistor. How many resistors are there? Shortest path we will choose R, only one resistor. C to B, again only one resistor. You can go from C to like this to B, but that would be a lengthy way. Shortest path we supposed to choose. Same way for O to A, first positive terminal in terms of resistance, only one resistor, divided by O to B, again one resistor. D, point D is there to point A, it is only one resistor, and D to B also again one resistor. So yeah, COD all are at same potential. C, O and D, point C, O and D are at same potential. If they are at same potential, then we can redesign this circuit. So for that purpose, what do? We will write, we will point A and we will draw for point B. There would be some distance apart from each other, and then anywhere other than point A and B, we can locate this point, which is now only one point, COD, because all are at the same potential. So suppose this is that point, C, O and D. Quickly we start connecting A to C, A to O, A to D. 3 resistor connected from A. So A to C, A to O and A to D. They are in parallel combination. All three are R and this is also R. Which branch we have used? Start cancelling that. A to C we have used, A to O also we have used, A to D also we have used. Then same exercise we will do with point B, B to C, B to O, B to D. One resistor, second, third, B to C. B to C or C to B you may say. So B to C, this is point C, this is B, then B to C, B to O, B to D. B to O, this is B to O and B to D. R, R, R. So hoping now easily you can solve these three in parallel combination. It would be looking like this. Parallel R by 3 it would be, and this point, then these again R, R, R. This is also R by 3. This point is B. This point was A. Now both are in series combination. You people will think about B to O we have done, B to D we have done. What about these branches? C to O to D, 2 resistors were there. They would be negligible. Why they would be negligible? Because in this figure COD, how will you connect? COD all are 1 point only. So that is why these 2 resistances would be negligible. Now your required answer is, therefore equivalent resistance between A and B is equal to R by 3 plus R by 3 to R by 3. This is CPM, common potential method. Now see for symmetry. For symmetry again we will connect A, we have taken positive, B we have taken negative. In between A to B, we will try to find out an imaginary line over both side of that. There should be a image, mirror image should be there. This is the line, imaginary line. Both side of it, it's a mirror image. This is this, this is this. So as per symmetry, in the mirror branches same current is flowing, same current will flow. So if this branch we will sending current I1, so I1, the mirror of this is this one, this would be I1. If we will send I2 from here, so mirror branch of this I2 is this one, continues towards diagonal. And if in this branch we are sending I3, whatever current was coming from here, I current, I1, I2, I3 were the three parts. I1 is going like this, I2 is going like this, I3, this branch, the mirror branch, other side the mirror, one side, and this is I3. So it means we can read in this circuit, this section and this section, no current will flow. Why? Because this section is lying over imaginary line. That's why these branches, these resistances would be negligible, means they are not in the connection. So other than these, only this circuit would be looking like, means you can see, okay, I draw here. This is B, this is A, this was point O, this is C, this is D. So this is R, 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 this is R. So hoping now you can easily solve. These two are in series, 2R. These two are in series, 2R. These two are in series, 2R. 2R, 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 one terminal connected at A, second terminal connected at B. So it would be looking like this. This is B, this is A. 2R, 2R, 2R. Parallel combination. If it is parallel combination, then it would be required resistance 2R by 3, required equivalent resistance between A and B. By CPM, how much we get? Same, 2R by 3. Here also 2 by R by 3. Verified also. Yes, we are going correct. Now the DST, delta star transformation. Delta star transformation, again we will connect point A positive, B negative. It would be little lengthier. So what we are going to do, we are converting deltas. So this I am taking here. This delta I am converting. Same way this delta I am converting. Delta means triangle. COB I am converting into star, AOD also. So new resistor would be looking like this, new circuit. This would be as it is, this would be as it is. This would be looking like this. 1, 2, 3. All are R. So these would be R by 3, R by 3, R by 3. Now this is still R. Here also 1, 2, and this is 3. Here this is still R. This is R by 3, R by 3, R by 3. Now will you be able to do? I think now you can do easily. So this branch is in series combination. Other than that, these two are in series, these two are in series. So this was B, this is A. So I am redesigning it. It would be careful while redesigning it. This section is giving now only one resistor. That resistor I have shown here, R plus R by 3. It becomes 4R by 3. So this is 4R by 3. These two are in series, 2R by 3. This is still R by 3. Here also I am writing this 2R by 3 this side. These two R plus R by 3, they will create 4R by 3. This 4R by 3 in between B to this point. So this is R by 3 still, and this becomes 4R by 3. Now it is not a Wheatstone bridge, balanced Wheatstone bridge, it is not. So again you supposed to apply delta star in this delta or in this delta, then you will be able to solve. Then apply. Now this is the delta, this is the star. So it would be looking like star delta always time taking process. I am making it little wider. So whatever delta is there, this delta creates like this. Only these 1, 3 star. These remove. So your calculation would also be there, because all three are not same. So easily we cannot do. We will have to apply the values. So I am mentioning this. Suppose it is R1, this is R2, and this value is R3. Formula for delta star is R12 R1R2 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. R13 R1 R3 individually product, R1 plus R2 plus R3, same way R23 R2 into R3 divided by total of all the resistances. Earlier they were creating delta. So 1, 2, 3 creates a star. This 2 will remain itself like these are. This is R by 3 and this is still 4R by 3. These to this R as it is. These three were creating delta. Now they are converted into star, and these values would be different now. So I am mentioning these 2 points. Suppose it is E, it is F. A point is connected by R1. This is R1 value is R by 3. R2 value is 4R by 3. R3's value 2R by 3. So A point is connected by R1, R2. So this section, this resistor there will be R12. Same way E point connected with R1 and R3. This is R13 and this would be R23. F point R2, R3, R23. Value of these, firstly we supposed to find R12, R1 into R2, R by 3 into 4I by 3 divided by sum of all would be R by 3 plus 4R by 3 plus 2R by 3, 4 to 6, 7R by 3. 7R by 3 is the total. Calculation you also keep on checking. Maybe possible I'm doing wrong calculation. 3 gets cancelled, R gets cancelled. It is 4 R by 21. Oh, 4 R by 21. 4 R by 21. Very complicated values are coming. But what to do? It is delta star transformation. It takes time. R13. Keep practice. Yesterday you have seen in our one video, you have seen we have applied symmetry, junction removal, then delta also we supposed to apply. So that's why delta you should know how to apply, otherwise you will stuck in jam. R13, R1 into R3, R1 is R by 3 we have applied here, and R3 is 2R by 3. Denominator will remain same, 7R by 3, 3 gets cancelled, R gets cancelled. So this would be 2R by 21. R13 value is 2R by 21. R23 also, R2 into R3, R2 is this one, 4R by 3, and R3 is this one, 2R by 3. Total will remain same. 3 gets cancelled, R gets cancelled. It becomes 4 2 8R by 21. Too much calculation we are doing, should not be wrong. Otherwise we supposed to take a look, we supposed to recheck our calculation. So don't lose your patience. This kind of problems checks your patience. Check your patience. So this is 8R by 21. Now it is looking like a okay circuit. Now these two are in series, they will be in parallel, then that and this one will be in series, and then we will get our final answer. So let's apply these two. Now these two are in series, so 2R by 21 plus 4R by 3, LCM is 21, 2R, 7, 28R, 30R by 21. So it becomes 10R by 7. You also keep on checking the calculation. DST takes time, but you should know how to apply. So this becomes this, and similarly these two also are in series. So 8R by 21 plus R by 3, 21 LCM, 8R, 7R, it becomes 15R by 21. So I am redesigning it again. It would be looking like this. This is B, this is A, this is 4R by 21, and this we have 15R by 21, and this is 15R by 21. Also we can simplify 5R by 7. So I am writing 5R by 7, and here it is 10R by 7. Both are in parallel, so the resultant would be, just multiply them divided by add them, denominator is same, 10 5 15, R 7 gets cancelled, R gets cancelled, 5 3 ja 15, this 7 will come down, this will become 10 R by 21. 10r by 21, and this 10r by 21, now it would be looking like this. BA, that is 4r by 21, and this comes 10r by 21, both are in series. So net equivalent resistance between A and B, add them, denominator is same, so I am directly adding 10 for 14r, 21, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 2r by 3. Yes, this is DST. It takes time. Firstly, you should try as per me by CPM. Symmetry you can use. Symmetry also can give you quick results. And if you don't have any option, then you go with the DST, or if you don't have any option, then only you try to apply DST, delta star transformation method. So this is also giving the same answer by doing so much of effort.